Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to capture leads from landing page form to the Google Sheet and send mails. For that, I am going to do the integration between my website form, Google Sheet and the Gmail. And this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have created into my website. Here I am adding all the test details in these fields. That is the name I provide as test user, email address as testuser@pabblytuge.com and one test contact number. After that, I am going to click on the submit now button. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet which includes the details that I have shared while filling the form. That is the full name as test user, one test contact number and the email address. I mentioned only some fields here. That's why few data is stored into the Google Sheet. But when you create the form, you can add many fields into your form as well as your Google Sheet. Now I am going to show you my Gmail account that I have received the mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail which includes my name, that is the test user, and all the details. So if you also want to do this type of automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are doing an integration between the applications, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consume. And in this folder section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, that is new beta and the classic version. It is in modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. After that, I am entering the workflow name as capture user leads from landing page forms to Google Sheet and send emails. After that, the folder I select as Pabbly Connect, then I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen, where at first you have to select your trigger application. For that you have to click on this plus option and search the app. Here I am searching my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly because this will work like a bridge between my landing form and my Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to select the app event as Catch Webbooks. After that I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me one Webbook URL that I am going to copy from here and paste this URL into my website form code that I have written into my notepad. So see, this is my website form code where I am going to paste the Webbook URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect here in this fetch option. At first I am removing this Webbook URL and now I am pasting the Webbook URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect. Here I paste it. After that I am going to save this form. Now I am again opening this form into my Chrome browser. Here I opened. After that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am again filling this form where I am entering the full name as test user, email address as testuser@pabblytunes.com, and one test contact number. After that, I am going to click on the submit now button. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received a new response 9 seconds ago. That means my landing page form is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setup of my trigger application is done. After that, I am going to select my action application as Google Sheet because I want to store my user data into my Google Sheet. So here I am searching it. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as add new row. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that, I am going to click on the save button. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am selecting the spreadsheet from here, that is landing page form user leads that I have already created before into my Google Sheets. As soon as I select the spreadsheet, it will automatically extract the field that I have mentioned into my sheet, that is the full name, contact number and the email. This is this sheet. Now I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is webhook by Pabbly. Here I am doing the mapping of my user full name, that is test user. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, I am going to do the mapping of contact number in this field. Then lastly, the email address. Here I have mapped all the field. After that, you can also enable this toggle if you want a response in the simple format. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have received the positive response. Now we will check our Google Sheet that a new row is added or not. See, a new row is added to my Google Sheet which includes the details that I have mapped into my Pabbly Connect. Now the setup of this application is also done. After that, when my user will fill the form into my landing page, then automatically with the help of this integration, my user leads will be added into my Google Sheet. Now I want to send instant mail to my user's Gmail account. For that, I am taking my next application as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that, I am going to click on the save button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to write the sender name in the sender name fields. Here I write the sender name as Pabbly team. After that, as soon as I connect my Gmail account to my Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. Then in the next, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is my user's Gmail address in this recipient email address field. Here I mapped. With the help of this mapping, whenever my user will fill the form that are presented to my landing page, then automatically with the help of this automation, it will capture their Gmail address and send the mail to each user specific account. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject and the email content in both of these fields. Here I write, that is the email subject I write as your subscription is confirmed. After that, I write the email content. Now after this thank you, I want my usernames, so I am simply doing the mapping of my username. Here I mapped. After that, here I am adding some more details. Here I mapped all the fields, that is my user full name, email address and the contact number. I write this email content in the HTML format, so I am selecting the email content type as HTML. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this here below, and a link of complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML content are also there. After that, the labels I select as inbox. Then if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, I am going to simply click on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received the mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the details that I have written into my email content field, also including the username that I have mapped. That means our automation is working perfectly and the creation of our workflow is completed. completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled. So make sure that to enable this toggle. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever any new form submission can be done through your landing page, then automatically all the leads of your user will be added into your Google Sheet and also send instant update mails to each user's Gmail account. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any single line of code. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.